How you doing there? Paul Wright with the Connecting Link, and let me show you how you can post a project in the course. This is your course's main homepage. We're going to scroll down to milestone number 6. If I take a look here, you're going to see some green and gray. That's what indicates what's been turned in and not turned in. If you take a look, Formative Project 3 has not been submitted, so it's gray. I'm going to click on this link here, and you're going to see right where my cursor is, it says Add Submission. I'm going to click on that, and now a box is going to upload here where you can simply just drop your project right in there. I'm going to come over here, drop my project in. It shows that it's uploaded. I'm going to click on Save Changes, and you're going to get a timestamp that shows, hey, your project's been uploaded here at this time. If you need to go back and make changes and upload something or remove it, you can easily do that with these two links. If you go back to the main homepage here, you're going to see that the submission link is now green because the project's been submitted. If you have any questions, you can message your teacher. Take care.